everybody, welcome to my channel. And yes, I'm bringing you guys another Walgreens haul. Why? Because I had some awesome coupons. Thanks to you guys, I have a few of you guys who have sent me coupons, and I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys that do send me coupons. So I was able to do some deals that I never have been able to do before. So, well, I've done them. I just never done them with coupons because of certain reasons, but I want to thank you guys. I know it's hard to thank you individually, but I want to say thanks. But I'm here to do my breakdowns for you guys, what I got. Now, husband, I was driving home. I did it before he went to work, because today is my, one day off this week. And, I said, husband, I am getting laundry wasted. I told him this on Sunday. Well, when I went to that store was, limiting the all. So then today I said, I'm getting laundry wasted because I'm going to my regular store. And he's like, yeah, okay. And so I get to my store and I'm like, hey, are you guys limited these? She's like, no. And I'm like, okay. So I'm not going to go all crazy. They had tons of it left. Everything that I got, they had tons left. I just wanted to grab some of these deals because they're just awesome. And I haven't gone laundry wasted in a while. So let's just dig right in. So I got the all laundry. Now they didn't have any of the pods, so I just got the regular stuff. These are $1.99 for you guys. There is that 3 off of 2 coupon that was on coupons.com. You guys want to use that coupon. You guys would end up getting both of these for just 98 cents. That comes up to be 49 cents a piece, which is an awesome, awesome deal. Now, when I said in my last video, I said I've seen some people in the Walgreens Facebook page that I'm in that they were buying the pods or whatever with those $2 off coupons. Now some of you guys said you didn't get it to work. I know it didn't work for me even without the discount, so I didn't worry about that. I mean, I only have a couple of those and I'm okay, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Some of you guys said your stores let you use them. Some stores adjusted the coupon to $1.99 or $1.98. So I know it's weird, but sorry. Every store is different. Some stores make up their own rules. I just say go to a different store. But definitely do that deal. Those coupons do expire soon as far as I know. I can't remember. I know the $1 and $2 ones off online print off expire on the 29th. So I had to do these deals. So I also had a $1 off coupon. Now I tried doing it in the same transaction. It did not let it work. So I ended up taking it off and I did 4 separate transactions. So I did 2 with the 3 off of 2, and then I did 2 with just the $1 off coupons because I get an employee discount and this is still a really good deal. But you guys want to use, you guys want to buy one, you guys end up getting this with that $1 off coupon for just 99 cents. So I think that's still a great deal. I mean, we keep getting Persil constantly. We keep getting sometimes other stuff. I get Purex like crazy, Arm & Hammer, OxyClean, but I never get these coupons. Even with me ordering them, I still never get these coupons. So I'm pretty excited to stock up on all laundry detergent. So I got crazy with these, you guys. There's 2 right there. I have another one right here. Another one right here. Ben helped me today. I got another one. And then, yes, another one. So yeah, I went crazy with the all laundry detergent today because I didn't want those coupons to pass up, and people are clearing the shelves. Now if you guys also have a problem, you can see if your store can order them for you. Most stores are okay with ordering extras or just stuff like that. I was going to do the Mitchum deodorant, but my coupons are lost in the mail somewhere, so I couldn't do that deal. I wanted to do a couple other deals, but yes, my coupons are lost in the mail. I love it when you pay for a 2-day shipping thing and it takes 5 days to get, and I still have no idea where my mail is, so yeah, that is awesome. I ended up getting more toothbrushes. My store had more in stock, so I bought 8 of them. Now this is a great deal. Now you guys can ask your store to order more. I actually asked them if they could order more. So these bad boys are toothbrushes, and I'm donating all of these anyways. So these were $1.29. It's buy one, get one 50% off. You guys would end up paying $1.93 for two of them. But then you guys get 2,000 points for every two that you buy, making it a 6 or 7 cent moneymaker, which is an awesome, awesome deal. I mean, these aren't the greatest toothbrushes, but hey, you shouldn't be picky, especially if they're free and you're making money off of. You can do this deal as much as you guys want. You guys can buy 100 in one transaction if you guys wanted to. It's up to you. And yes, you guys can pay with points. So if you guys bought like 10 of them, you guys could pay like, what, $10 in points. And then you get like, I don't even know, I can't do the math in my head. But just letting you guys know with this. I'm just yawning. I got a lot of sleep. It's the nice weather. It's like, come outside. Come outside. Yeah. The next deal I want, and I was super excited to do this deal. A lot of you guys were mentioning it in the comments below. I don't get these coupons. I never get the Downy or the Tide coupons, so I'm super excited. I think it was Lori who sent me those. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The Downy is on sale for $2.99. Now, I am Downy Royal. This is a fabric softener I used to use like crazy before I went couponing. I don't know why, I just really like the smell. So the Downy is $2.99. We have those $4 off of 2 coupons in the P&G of April. A lot of you guys probably don't have those coupons. You might be able to print like 1 or 2 off from the P&G website, but I read the fine print and you guys could use those coupons on here. So if you guys have those 4 off of 2 coupons, these end up being $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal on brand name laundry detergent. I mean, you could get like a little tiny little bottle at the Dollar Tree for the same price. So 99 cents for these, I will take it. And yes, I went crazy. Those coupons, you can only use 2 per transaction. I had 5 of those coupons, so I did 3 transactions with those. I bought 4, 4, and 2. So I have just a ton of them, you guys. And don't get mad at me, I did not clear the shelves. My store had plenty because my area doesn't get those coupons, so I don't really have to worry about people taking stuff off the shelf, because if you don't have a coupon for it, they're mostly not going to buy it. And then I got 4 more in here. Yeah, you guys, I went crazy. So there is that. The next deal that you guys should definitely stock up on if you're ketchup people. The other day I bought some ketchup with my coupons and I gave one to my mom because I'm like, we have a lot of ketchup. Husband's like, why'd you give your mother some ketchup? Because she needed some ketchup and we already had a bottle. He likes to hoard stuff, not like in a bad way, but he's like, we needed more ketchup. And I'm like, I'll get more ketchup. I have more coupons. So, sorry, Graham, but I got you more ketchup. So these are on sale. These are on sale for $1.99. Now, if you guys watched my crappy video that I did with Running Kimono, she sent me some coupons, which I thanked her for that. But there were those buy one, get one free ketchup coupons. You guys should have been able to print it off. I know you can't print it off anymore, but hopefully you guys still have some of those coupons. I printed off a couple. I just don't remember. I gotta find them, and I can't remember if those ones expired, but I had some actual coupons that you guys could have got as peelies. So you guys want to use that buy one, get one free coupon. You'll end up getting 2 bottles of ketchup for $1.99 or just 99 cents a piece. That is a great deal. So I got ketchup wasted. I bought 8 bottles. I did each and every one. I didn't know how many you could use in one transaction, but since I was doing 4 transactions, I'm like, I'll just do ketchup in every transaction. So yes, I got 8 bottles of ketchup. I know it's crazy, but we plan on giving them away to people who need it. You know, we don't need that many bottles of ketchup, but I said, I only took 4 originally, and the cashier, I says, man, I have these 2 other coupons and they expire next week. She's like, go get the rest of them. I says, no, I don't want to clear the shelf. Just don't tell anybody. Just go get the rest of them. And I'm like, okay, thank you. Thank you, Walgreens employee, for, you know, helping me out. And the person's like, what do you do with all that ketchup? It was another employee. They like to mess with me. And I says, hey, I'm giving them away. I'm not going to need 8 bottles of ketchup. Jeez. Yeah, they always give me crap, and I didn't have Ben, so I could really, like, you know, mess with them on that. And so I ended up getting the brow this way. I want to try some stuff. I keep getting the same things all the time. I'm like, why not get stuff I don't really have? I mean, we always get eyeshadow, which is fine. I keep getting the same colors all the time. I have tons of mascara, but I'm like, why do I keep constantly getting the same stuff? So I ended up getting the Rimmel Brow This Way. Now, this was $2.87. They're all 40% off right now. My store didn't have it tagged, so I'm just going to use the previous picture that I had. But these were $2.87. You guys want to use those $2 off coupons in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these for 75 cents a piece, which is a pretty okay deal. So you can't go wrong with that. No, 87 cents. 87 cents. Sorry, I can't read. This was the same deal, $2.87. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this for 87 cents. And I have yet to try this, but this is a great, like, little bottle to take with you on the go. I ended up getting the Rainbow Face. Now these are illuminator, a sculpt, a contour, and a blush. So I couldn't go wrong with these. I have those $3 off coupons. Now a lot of your stores are not letting them do that. They should be able to. They just have to key it in. Everybody's having problems with those coupons. It's not Walgreens, it's just that coupon in general. I know people have problems constantly with that coupon, but it's the coupon, it's not Walgreens. If your store doesn't let you do it, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you, but I have a bunch because somebody mailed me some, but I really am excited to try some more stuff like this. So these were $4.67 on sale. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon if you guys have it, plus that $2 off Walgreens booklet coupon. You guys would end up getting this for a 33-cent moneymaker. So that's a great, great deal on that. And I got actually 2 different colors. I don't know if they say the colors on here, but yeah, can't go wrong with that. But that was my haul. I got 2 boxes full. Husband opens the trunk. I says, Graham, I got, you know, laundry wasted. Can you help me bring all this stuff in? He's like, yeah, okay. So he opens the trunk. He's like, holy crap, how much did you get? And I said, what? I told you I was getting laundry wasted, you know. So I was pretty excited. And he's like, well, how much did you spend? And I said, well, I paid with points. You know, I always pay with points. Well, he's like, well, how much did you actually spend? I says, well, you should know this by now. So one transaction, I ended up paying $8.58. Now, please remember, I do get an employee discount. The husband works for the company. But in that transaction, I ended up getting 11,000 points back. I got 6,000 points for 6 of the toothbrushes. And then I also got 5,000 points for hitting beauty. So that was $8.58. I ended up getting one second transaction was $3.83. I got 2,000 points back with that. Third transaction, $3.49, and then the fourth transaction was $3.46 and 49 cents, both of those. If you add all those together, it came to $19.39 for all that stuff. I got 13,000 points for those 2 transactions, so that came to $6.39. I think that's a great deal. A lot of you guys also said you can submit those to Saving Stars. Pretty much everybody has submitted those to Saving Stars, the all deals. So I'm not even going to mention it, but I already did it. It's done for, so you guys should hopefully do that deal. So $6.39 for or for 37 items. I think that's a great deal. If you guys add it all together, it came out to be 17 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. I'm excited to share with you guys some more deals. You know, this week I'm waiting for those coupons to come in somewhere in the mail. Last time I know they're in Texas as of yesterday, but now it doesn't say where they're at now. So, oh well, things happen. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank each and every single one of you guys who watch my video, support my video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are great friends. I also want to give a big thanks again for the people who mail me coupons. I'm so excited, you guys. I love sharing you guys deals that I can normally not do. And so when you guys send me stuff, I can share with you guys more deals. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will possibly see you guys a third time this week for a third haul once I get my coupons. So, again, I'll talk to you guys all later. I guess I won't talk to you. I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye, and thank you for watching.